Have you ever tried vlogging in public with a full rig like this, and suddenly you feel like you're trying to direct a Marvel movie? People start to notice you, and it just doesn't feel natural anymore. And these two small devices right here, they changed all of that. This is the DJI Nano, and this is the Insta360 GO Ultra. And with these two devices, it almost made me invisible when I'm filming in public. So today I'm going to be breaking down the DJI Nano and the Insta360 GO Ultra and showing you why that these would possibly be some of the best discreet public street vlogging cameras. You're filming in public. Size actually does matter, not the specs. So this is Bucky's. When you're dealing with larger camera rigs, such as like a Sony ZV-1, Canon R1, even the Sony A series, they're large cameras and people notice them. They tend to kind of stiffen up around those types of cameras. They end up changing their behavior and you lose the authenticity of your shoot. With the DJI Nano and the Ultra, you're gonna get stabilized cinematic footage. Basically, it's something that feels like a pocket tool, not necessarily a production rig. With these guys right here, you kind of disappear into the public.
Oh, are you coming in?
Yes. Thank you. These two cameras are so small that most people don't even realize that they're on camera. That means real reactions, real moments, real street energy. And as a content creator, that authenticity, that's gold.
I'm gonna do a review. Let me show you the one he did that.
She's sitting there with her mouth full telling me she's gonna do a review, and look.
You better edit the parts I look.
Right here, see? How is it, Deidre?
I'm up for it.
The Nano and the GO Ultra, they give you smooth, stabilized footage that gives you a really interesting POV that looks intentional. And I think they do a little more than that. They give you the freedom to actually get out there and make really interesting content. So let's talk about the social comfort factor. This is something that a lot of creators do not discuss in full. It becomes really interesting and the dynamic totally changes because when you're walking around with a huge rig like what I'm recording on right here, it feels like you are filming stuff. It feels like you are filming content, a full-blown production. And ironically, people around you notice. But with these little guys right here, you're basically just living. You're walking around, you've got them attached to you, you're filming, you can be talking to yourself. Most people think you're maybe talking on a phone, and that's about it. I can go out and I can film B-roll footage. Hell, I can even do A-roll footage. But a lot of people aren't going to notice me. Hi. The benefit is that you're going to be able to start capturing spontaneous moments, things that aren't like pre-set up. The spontaneity of things is oftentimes what makes the content amazing. It kind of, in a way, lowers the friction between you and society, people walking around. And lower friction means more content. So pretty much what you're going to get with these little devices right here, if you're actually using them to create A-roll and B-roll content, you're going to get your cinematic framing, POV immersion. You're going to have your intentional A-rolls, background plus your B-roll, controlled storytelling, and reactive storytelling. You know, I am a solo content creator. I don't have anybody helping me hold cameras and stuff. And flexibility is something that I look for in my gear. I don't want to always have to have a backpack on, walking around with all that huge weight, huge cinematic rigs, gimbals, and stuff like that. These two cameras together, they weigh less than what most people carry around in their pockets on a daily basis. Wallet, keys, phone, pen, paper, stuff like that. These things are super light. They're small. They're discreet. And best of all, they give you really good footage that almost feels dynamic, like you possibly did have a crew working on this. So let's be real. Filming in public comes with a certain amount of awareness. Big camera setups oftentimes attract the wrong kind of attention. That's just a fact. They do attract attention, and a lot of times it's the wrong kind. The DJI Nano and the Go Ultra keep you low profile. With these two cameras, you basically just look like a guy who's out documenting life, not a production crew. And that really does matter, especially for your safety and for the comfort level of the people around you that you may be walking amongst. All right, so let's talk about vertical content, you know, for YouTube Shorts, Instagram, stuff like that. And as you can see, I'm out in the chicken pen, I'm taking care of these guys. The rest of them are over there. But check it out and see how it's mounted. I'm getting vertical content. This is something that I can use for shorts, the little 1 minute to maybe 2 minute little videos that are gonna draw attention to your account and actually get people to start watching it. So yeah, they agree. Both of these devices, the Go Ultra and the DJI Nano, give you amazing footage, vertical content that you can use for your different social media platforms. And that's what I call content efficiency. And efficiency is a game changer when it comes to being a content creator. So my question to you is this: could this be the potential best street vlogging setup for you, either the Go Ultra or the DJI Nano? Look, it's pretty simple. If you value mobility, authenticity, flexibility, cinematic filming flexibility as well, you know, this combination here is hard to beat. So probably one of the cool things about this little setup here, these two different devices, is they allow me to blend in with the street. They allow me to blend in with the world while I can still create content. So if you're a street content creator, let me know in the comments below if you are team low profile tech or team big cinematic rig tech, especially if you're out in public. And if you want links to both these cameras, I will have it in the description. Now remember, they are affiliate links. Insta360 did not send this to me, nor did DJI. I bought these with my own money. So the links below are affiliate links to my storefront. So drop a comment, like, share, and most of all, I appreciate you guys. We're moving up to almost 5,000 subs. We finally monetized the channel, and in truth, it's because of you. So that's it for today. The ultimate street vlogging setup for low profile, discreet filming. The DJI Nano and the Go Ultra by Insta360. So there you go, guys. Have an awesome weekend.